Hello, Velvet.
Yes?
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming at you with another wonderful weight loss video for you today. Now, I'm going to show you how you can drop some weight really fast. And this is also using my favorite ingredient, baking soda. Okay? So, stay tuned for this fast, quick, easy morning tea that's going to get you out the house and going to get your intestines started. Alright? So, first what we're going to need is some boiling water. Alright? Well, before that, you're going to need some green tea bags. If you don't have the loose tea leaves, you can use the green tea bags. We're also going to be using baking powder, baking soda, and some boiling water. Now, what you can do is use 1 to 2 tea bags of your green tea, depending on how potent it is. And we're going to take our boiling water, pour it on top, as we normally would when we're making tea. So what I'm going to do is cover this up and allow it to steep for a little bit. So this way I get the full potency of my green tea. Alright? And I will be back after it finishes. Okay, you guys. So our green tea is finished steeping. And depending on how strong you want your tea, you could even leave it in for longer. Now what you can do is take either a half a teaspoon of lemon juice, or you can squeeze in a half a lemon. Now next we're going to take a half a teaspoon of our baking soda and add it into our tea. Now just know that it's going to sizzle, it's going to fizzle, it's going to do all of that, but it's okay. Alright? And next you just drink it down. Now this is something that you can make 2 times a day if you want. You can make this in the morning on an empty stomach, and you can also make this right before bed. Now this is awesome, this is delicious, this is fast, and it's also great for weight loss. So just know you will be dropping some weight. Alright? Every time you add your baking soda in this in the morning, just know that you are ready now for a powerful weight loss day. Okay, you will be losing your weight. Also, don't forget to eat healthy, light meals. Okay, do not eat heavy when you are on your detoxes and your smoothies. All right. Thank you so much for joining me on this fast, quick, easy video on another way for you to really maximize your green tea and to make it even more powerful. Okay, simple, simple, simple. Don't forget to also check down below for the links for your personal size NUTRIBULLET, as well as your full size NUTRIBULLET, as well as your reusable metal straws, as well as other items down below. Okay? Check down below in the description bar for the links. And also don't forget to check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skin care, fashion hauls, and family challenges on that channel as well. Alright? So stay tuned for the next video, you guys. And until then, I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel. And this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.